Hello everyone. If you've been following me and watching my tech videos, you will know that I love Edelkrone devices. And today I am going to unbox a new addition, the Edelkrone controller. So let's get started. Edelkrone always have good packaging, as you can see. I almost never throw their boxes away. This controller is basically the simplest and fastest way to control your Edelkrone device wirelessly, apart from the app. Let's open up the package now and let's see what's inside. The remote is actually made of CNC aluminium, stainless steel, which is actually very sturdy. I never seem to read the manual. It's just something I just never do. I rely on YouTube instructions, and Edelkrone they've got their own channel there which I follow. It is built like a tank and it feels great, and the cover for the battery there is magnetic, and I like the sling there. You can hold on, so make sure you don't drop it. It uses AAA batteries, and let's put in the battery now. It's I think it lasts about 4.5 hours of continuous operation, which is fairly good, so it can last you half a day. The range is about 82 feet, which is 25 meters, and it is also firmware update ready, which means you can update with the app easily, and it takes 2 minutes, as you can see, once you pair both of them together. You can also see a confirmation on the screen there that the update has been completed, which is good. So like once you click on the pair, you see it tells you that it's been completed. Now let's try and connect the battery to the slider one and test out the remote control. Remote control, as you can see now, let's get into focus. You have to pair them together. So once you click on the middle there, you can select slider and then you click on and hold the right button. Now it has paired, so you can move it to the right by pressing the right arrow, and also the speed. You can change the speed of the motion if you want. I prefer this to the app because sometimes the app, it's not easy to bring out your phone or you have a phone call. So this is just, it's a good touch because I do like having something physical to press. Just like you're in a Tesla car, there's all screens, there's no buttons. It can be a bit, fiddly, but when you're used to buttons, you're just used to it, and you want to have buttons that you can press. So this is I like this. You can move it to the left, to the right, and you can actually pair both the app and the remote control simultaneously, and they're both operating, controlling the motion of your Edelkrone device, which is good. As you can see now, we've put that in the loop, so it can now do that on its own, going left to right. So let's say you have a turntable, you have a motion set, you've put this one on the loop. Now you're using the app to do your pan and tilt on your, let's say, your head one. That is just something that, I'll definitely do another video and show you how that works. This is awesome. I'm very excited to use this and make more videos. This was just a brief unboxing of my new edition Edelkrone controller. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be doing a more intensive video using my controller and head ones. If you liked this tech video, give us a like, give us a comment below, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.